Hello, my wonderful friends, and a very special welcome back to the English Speaking and Listening Club. I want you to do something with me right now. Think about the last time you listened to someone else speak English. Maybe another member of this club, a colleague at work, or a character in a movie. What did you feel? Were you inspired? Or did you feel a small, quiet voice inside you whisper, "I'll never be that good"? Why is their accent so perfect? Why can they speak so easily? I'm so far behind. If you've ever felt that way, please know this. You are not alone. That feeling has a name. It's called comparison. And today, we are going to look this monster in the eye and disarm it completely. We are going to talk about why you must stop comparing yourself to others in English. This is not just a motivational talk. This is a crucial strategy for your success and your peace of mind. So, if you're ready to break free from the trap of comparison and finally focus on your own unique, beautiful journey, then you are in the right place. Let's begin. Let me tell you a story about two gardeners. The first gardener, let's call her Lily, planted a tomato seed. The second gardener, let's call him Rowan, planted a sunflower seed. Lily cared for her seed every day. She watered it, made sure it had sunlight, and protected it from pests. After a few weeks, a small green sprout appeared. She was so happy. But then she looked over at Rowan's garden. His sunflower was already tall, with a strong stem and large leaves. It was growing so fast. Lily looked back at her small, slow-growing tomato sprout and felt a wave of disappointment. "What's wrong with my plant?" she thought. "Why is it so small? Why isn't it growing as fast as his?" She started to worry. She tried to water it more, hoping to make it catch up. She felt anxious every day, constantly comparing her tomato plant to Rowan's sunflower. Meanwhile, Rowan was also comparing. He saw that Lily's plant, while small, was already developing a beautiful, sweet smell. His sunflower was tall, but it didn't have a fragrance. Why is her plant so fragrant and special? He wondered. Mine is just tall. What both of them failed to understand is a fundamental law of nature. You cannot compare different seeds. A tomato and a sunflower have different purposes, different growth cycles, and they bear different fruits. The tomato plant was never meant to be tall like a sunflower. Its value is in the nourishing, red fruit it will eventually produce. The sunflower's value is in its majestic height and its beautiful sunny face. By comparing them, both gardeners were missing the unique beauty and purpose of their own plant. My dear friends, you are a gardener, and your English is your seed. The person you are comparing yourself to has a different seed. They have a different background, a different mother tongue, a different amount of time to practice, a different learning environment, a different purpose for learning English. You are a tomato plant comparing yourself to a sunflower. It is a meaningless comparison that only steals your joy and kills your confidence. When you compare your chapter 2 to someone else's chapter 15, all you feel is failure. You have no idea about the struggles, the time, the failures, and the hard work that went into their chapter 3, 4, 5, and all the way to 14. You only see the result, not the journey. This comparison triggers what I call the 3 poisonous Ds. Doubt. You start to doubt your own abilities. Maybe I'm just not good at languages. Discouragement. You lose motivation. What's the point? I'll never be that good. A delay. You procrastinate. I'm not ready to speak yet. I'll wait until I'm better. This triple poison stops your growth faster than any grammar mistake ever could. So, how do we break free? How do we kill the comparison monster? I want to give you a 3-step shield. Step 1. Shift your focus from them to you. Your only valid comparison is to your past self, not to another person. Take out a notebook. Write down where you were with your English 3 months ago. Could you introduce yourself? Could you understand a simple children's song? Now look at yourself today. I guarantee you have improved. You know more words. You understand a little more. You are a little less afraid. That is your measure of success. Your journey is unique. Celebrate every single step you take. Step 2. See others as inspiration, not as competition. Change the narrative in your mind. When you hear someone speak fluent English, instead of thinking, "I'm so bad," I want you to think, "Wow." That is proof of what is possible. If they can do it, so can I. They are showing me the way. See them as a lighthouse guiding your ship, not as another ship racing against you. We are all on the same ocean, trying to reach our own personal shores. Their success does not block your path. It lights it up. Step 3. Embrace your accent as your identity. So many of you worry about your accent. You want to sound like a native. But let me tell you a secret. Your accent is beautiful. It is part of your story. It tells the world that you are brave enough to speak another language. It carries the melody of your homeland. Instead of trying to erase it, focus on being clear and confident. A clear, confident accent is far more powerful than a perfect but fearful American or British imitation. Your voice is unique. The world doesn't need a copy. It needs the original that is you. Your mission starting today is to run your own race. Look straight ahead at your own path. Your goal is not to be better than the person next to you. Your goal is to be a better version of yourself than you were yesterday. I want you to make a promise to yourself. The next time you feel the sting of comparison, I want you to say these words out loud. I am on my own path. My progress is my victory. Say it with me now. I am on my own path. My progress is my victory. Let that be your mantra. If you are ready to stop looking at other gardens and start nurturing your own, let me know in the comments by writing, my journey, my pace. And if you want to be part of a community that celebrates individual progress, not competition, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thank you for your courage. Remember, the flower that you are growing is unlike any other in the world. Don't let the illusion of comparison stop you from letting it bloom. Keep speaking, keep listening, and I will see you in the next video.